Hi guys, welcome back to Gone Tracking, another review. Today we're having a look at the Blue Mountain headlamp. It is an LED headlamp from Pick n Pay. Raymond Ackerman's name is on the back here, so it looks like it's something he started after leaving. Let's have a look. It is rated at 4 to 8 hours on a full charge, 200 lumens, water resistance, 25 meters. Pretty excited to see what this does, because on special right now it was less than 100 Rand to buy this. Let's have a look at how to open it. Let me give it a cut from the side. Oh, it's a pretty tough cut. There we go. Good tight pull after giving a small cut. It's opened. And it's out. So the first question is, alkaline batteries included? So I presume they're already inside. Oh, yes they are. Okay. So I must say it feels pretty sturdy already, so I think that's a good thing to start off with. Head strap is also not just around, also on top, so you get the three to secure it properly. It is heavier than some of the cheaper brands that you normally buy, but it feels sturdy, which when I give it to my kids is important. Let's quickly see the fit. So out the box, I have a large head, it's a bit tight. On the sides you can adjust it, so let me do that first, see how easy that is. There isn't a lot of room for play, but down here there is. Again. Oh, much better. Right, so it feels pretty firm. An obvious quick test. Nice and bright. Slightly dimmer. That is headache inducing. Right, so the emergency light really works. So, practical test in the bush. We'll switch off the light, have a look behind us, and see what that does. See now. Oh. Before I even do that, isn't that gorgeous? Just look at that. That's why we come to the bush. Yeah, practical test, here we go. Oh, it's much better. Okay, so that's not bad. That's high setting, low setting, just enough to see what's happening on the fire. And that's your emergency light. Definitely won't miss that. Oh. Very happy. Pretty happy with that. I think it's as advertised. For less than 100 Rand, LED light, 3 batteries, 25 meters. It's actually brighter than one of the others that I've reviewed before, which was claimed to be 40 lumens. So I think that's a good buy. At Pick n Pay, Blue Mountain headlamp, less than 100 bucks. Please remember, we're going to do a comparison between this, the Magneto, and the Lumio pretty soon. So watch out for that video if you're in the market right now. Look in the description below for the link. Be careful, guys.